Prophet's grandsons. He says they're masters of the youth in paradise. I have a beautiful hadith to tell you now, which fits right with the subject today. He says, except Jesus, the son of Mary, and his uncle John the Baptist, Yahya, my grandsons are not above them in paradise. Look how fair and just Prophet Muhammad is. Isa and Yahya. He says, they are, Hassan and Hussain are under them in honor, not above them or even equal. Another one, Prophet said, Allah decreed this. Fatima, my daughter, is Sayyidatu Nisa'i Ahlil Jannah. Allah. Salamullah alayha. Subhanallah. I hope our women take Fatima as a role model.